Unboxing my first Amazon free wig.
First Amazon free wig. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Let's get this box open. Yep. And this here is from Beauty Forever. So let's get it open. Finally. All right, here, let's go. All right, guys, so this is the hair. Let's see what's inside. Oh, wow, I got a scrunchie. Not a scrunchie, a headband and lashes. And what is this? Let's see what this is. Oh, wow, this is a cute bonnet. I love this. Wow. All right, guys, let's see what the hair is looking like. And this is a 13x4 transparent lace wig. It's kinky curl and it's in the shade reddish brown. And wow, guys, look at this wig. Look at this hairline on this wig. Check out this hairline. Look at that. Oh my God. It came pre-plucked. And let me show you the inside of the wig, what it's looking like. And remember, it's a transparent lace. And a strap came on the back of the wig. That tells me I can wear this wig glueless. That's a strap right there. That's what it's looking like. I love it. So far, I have experienced no shedding by pulling my fingers through. Can't wait to install this, guys. I am totally loving this. No shedding. Look out for the installation, guys. I'm going to be installing this in a few. So, I love it. Here's the installation.